My name is Mitali Patel. Today I'm going to present you Sprint 3 presentation of the check verification system in team component. This is a sprint start and ended. We have 5 team members according to our role. Sprint 3 main task is from the admin side and from the user side. We have to divide. The admin can track the records, filter the records that how many users are upload the check and what is the end date of the check. Also cancel check, fail check. That is the testing and modification we need in this sprint 3 because it is the end task. Also the client feedbacks is very important and the sprint meetings. In sprint user story for this sprint is main thing is the check is genuine or not. So I can take the appropriate action as well as the reason why check is failed. That is the main task we are now because we are going to end. That is the verify check in real time that and they give the immediate feedback. Like right now it's written over there that like how many dates it's left to finish the check date. So I can check the track the status of my previously scanned check as well. Also the second verification of a check in case of a doubt. It's like now we can automatically categorize that how many check is failed, how many check is unverified, it's verified. So I want this all these details in the sprint 3, how to maintain the verification activities that each check has been scanned properly and I have to verify the activity which I perform. That is evidence that this is a check we are using for the scanning and that is a cancel check as well, like that is two different bank. That is the manage user portal which we add that we can for our safety concern from admin side we can block and unblock the user. That is a dashboard page that how many its register users scan fail check. That is the scan report page. This all details we add in sprint 3. That is the report like that I'm showing that it's the days remaining until expiration. That's showing already expired. This feature we add. That is the test cases reports like the individual component. So my role is tester. In the testing is I have to perform that application, ensure that application meets the quality before it's released to the end user. In the sprint 3, I learned a lot thing with compared to the sprint 1. In this sprint, I did the functional testing. That means I have to identify the test input, like compute the expected outcome with all the test input, execute the test cases. I have to make the comparison. I have to go to each, like each portal. I have to check that, like what is the working, what we need. I designed the test cases for testing functionality of the Sprint 3 component. Also manual testing for the Sprint 3 components, as I told you, functional testing. I added the page links which I show you in the admin and user interface sidebars. We added also one more dashboard box for visualization of the cancel check count on the admin and user interface. Also modified the verification report and added the photo of the bank check. I also designed the posters and I started working on the project write-up. That is the testing I done in the test drill. That is like last to last week report. That is like how it's showing like that. It's like how it's passed, how it's I need to do some test cases retest again. That is the how did I apply stream specific knowledge to my project. Manual testing approach is used for performing testing the web application. Test drill is the test case template which I used to store all the test cases. Test report are generated using test drill management and basic HTML designing and CSS selector also helpful. I learned from this sprint is designing test cases and testing system. which I didn't know when I start the project. I know about testing, but don't know about this kind of detail that now I'm able to generating test trail report using the test trail testing reports and generating test case as well, designing attractive web page using the HTML and CSS. Also, I know about the functional testing, access control testing, response unit testing because I go through a lot video about these things. The better thing will be in Sprint is the alternate solution for Google Vision can be explored. Thank you.